Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain SANDISK Memory Zone app review to save it what you're using. So to get started, in 2025, the SANDISK Memory Zone app is designed to help users manage, backup, and transfer files between their phones and SANDISK storage devices like USB drives, iExpand flash drive. It supports automatic photo or video backup, file encryption, storage analysis, an easy way to free up space on your device. So for basic file transfer and backup, especially on iOS, it's a handy tools that pair well with SANDISK hardware. But the app has major downside. User reports slow performance, inconsistent file transfer, clunky encryption, and trouble detecting drives, especially on Android, which lost official support in 2025 around April. The backup often fails or freezes, and the user interface is less reliable than other SANDISK app. And here's final intake. The SANDISK Memory Zone is worth for simple backups on iOS, but so if you need a speed, Android compatibility, or reliable encryption, it may leave you frustrated. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.